Alright guys, this is the finals and I've won the die roll again. So I'm going to choose to play first. I think my opponent's deck has a good matchup against me. This hand is fine, I'll keep it. It's interesting. I was just watching a replay and I saw Kuldotha Rebirth and multiple Perilous Mirror, which could actually be a problem for me. And he has also got the Azuri's Brigade that I passed. So here we're just going to hope for... Alright, land is good. I did see a Galvanic Blast. There is a Mana Mirror. So we're going to swing and play Contagious Nim. You might be trying to decide whether to rebirth his Spell Bomb and draw a card, or actually search for the land. Okay, this is terrific. And he's blasting my Contagious Nim. Alright. Alright, we draw a second swamp. Swing, and I think I'll just go ahead and play Corpse Cur. Because it's more mana efficient. Depending on what he does, I might be suiting up Corpse Cur with Bladed Pinions. There's Wall of Tanglecord. And there's Perilous Mirror. So we're going to go with Bladed Pinions on Corpse Cur and swing. Oh. Sad as it is, I might have to grasp the Wall of Tanglecord. There is Life Staff. Let's see. Okay, what we're gonna do is I'm just gonna swing with Corpse Cur here. Let the Wall of Tanglecord be neutered, and then I'm just gonna play both Contagious Nim here. I could have attacked with both and then grasped it no matter what he blocks, but I think it's better to do this. Then if he ends up relying on the wall to block for him, I could just kill it and he'll suddenly be without defense there. Another Perilous Mirror? Yeah, that card's really good against me. Oh. Just gonna go ahead and grasp. Actually, I don't need to grasp Wall of Tangle Cord, because he can't even use it, so we're just gonna get in there with these two guys. Okay. Yeah, that's what I wanted to see. Just gonna play this Corpse Cur. I'm gonna put Bladed Pinions on it. Acid Web Spider. Wow. That's good. That is like really rough. Alright. So the only recourse here is to swing with everything. Alright. That's awesome. This allows me to kill Acid Web Spider with Grasp. I think we just have to go ahead and play Corpse Cur, getting back the Contagious Nim. I'll just go ahead and keep this in my hand. It doesn't allow me to have Corpse Cur recursion or anything like that. Oh, that's annoying. Alright, so it's possible for him to survive this next turn, but yeah, he's low on mana, and he would need a bunch of very efficient things. Trigon of Infestation would have been really good there. Excuse me. This is tricky. I could put in like Heavy Arbalest or something like that, but he already has Acid Web Spider. So that's just, I mean, giving him more targets for that. I think we'll just keep it as is. And I'll keep this hand. There's Strider Harness. Should come in handy. Iron Mirror. Just gonna go ahead and lead with Blight Mamba. Could be bad if he has like Embersmith. But I don't want to hold it just to like put a counter on with Hand of Praetor, because well, obviously I'm not attacking, blocking that. Oh, Perilous Mirror. So I could attack and actually just trade Perilous Mirror for it. Otherwise, yeah, I don't think I can afford to just like try to hold up mana and keep that alive. What you got? Looks like a 5-drop. That's a good card. Alright. So I really need a land here. That's not a land. I don't think I can win this. I think I needed to draw land there. Or I could rip Grip of Darkness, but now all he has to do is just like keep me from killing him. And pretty much any card in his hand can prevent him from taking a lot of infect from my Contagious Nyms, so Acid Web Spider, yep. Ugh. It's not gonna get it. I think you just have to keep getting in there. I could have Untamed Might to try to save my guy, but it wouldn't have killed the Acid Web Spider. And so let's go ahead and play Painsmith. Okay, got a Rip Grip. Plague Stinger to chump something. Alright, come on. Well, that's something. I'll play hand. I've got one more turn. And it really has to be a flyer. Or, and we're done. Alright, so Kuldotha Phoenix. I didn't see that in the other replays. I could play Wing Puncture, but